Okay, everyone, I'm going to tell all of the non-resident Japanese people in the room something which might be new to you. Did you know that in Japan, we wait until the very end of the credits at a movie until people go home? The credits roll, and then the lights come on. So thank you so much, everyone, for staying as long as you have. I would now love to very much say that the same way that we've been speaking about robots and humanoids, but certainly software is what drives them, very much is the same of this event. And I would like to introduce you to all of the software that made this event come true. Please welcome your Humanoid Summit Tokyo team to the stage. Terence, you remember. Tim, perhaps you haven't met Tim, managed all of the media. Yesi Nakagawa-san. Oh, let me do a quick pass. Perhaps we can just say one word each to say thank you. So, Yesi's going to talk. Just say.
Thank you all. This has been a fantastic event. It's been a pleasure to be in Tokyo and meet all you wonderful people. Thanks.
Thank you so much for our sponsors, exhibitors, each attendee who made this event a success. Thank you so much for being here.
皆様2日間、ありがとうございました。東京で初開催になりましたけれども、大変素晴らしい会がおかげさまでできました。来年も同じ場所でやりますので、どうぞよろしくお願いします。ありがとうございます。
One more huge round of applause for the team. They've done an excellent job, and we hope to see everyone back here in 2027. Humanoid Summit team in Japan, there's a wonderful word which means otsukare-sama deshita, which means you must be very tired. And I'm sure after these 2 days, you must be very tired. So one to the Humanoids team, minasan otsukare-sama deshita. Well done. Thank you so much. Now, everyone, to leave you with a closing word, of course, thank you to the team, but of course, thank you to you. Thank you to you for being here and for giving your time and your space to this conversation, which is so important. Certainly, we watched how machines are learning to do the things that really we can do. They're learning to walk, they're learning to talk. But the question is sometimes, well, how human can they become? And as machines get better at doing what we do, then we have to think about our intent. What's rare and what do we bring to the table? And I think Tokyo is a wonderful place to do that. It is the city, it is the place where robots and mechanics and everything go together with people. It is the place that we are partners. And this is a place that I want you to go back to your teams and think about what's your intent. And we are looking forward to seeing you here, same place as you just heard, in 2027. Everyone, have a safe trip home, take your things with you, and we will see you back here. Thank you once again, everyone. Have a wonderful day.